Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. How do these people get their driver's license? How many distracted drivers did you count? Let me know in the comments section below.
A few moments later. 20 minutes later.
This is why you should put your phone down for 1 minute to walk into the store. Then you can get back on it.
12 seconds later.
This driver's plans in the rain are different from everyone else's. Annoyed with having to stop for a school bus, they overdrive the car. Some lady who works for Geico hit my truck and claimed I swerved into her.
This car hit me, man. Look, Mom, I had it. All right, this.
This idiot on a bicycle cuts across several lanes of merging toll traffic.
A few moments later.
Hard to tell from the cam, but the driver looked over while I was on my horn and still almost ran me off the road. Third time this happens on my morning commute at the same spot. Am I the idiot for not knowing they were an even bigger idiot?
"20 minutes later.
This lady started screaming at me and flipped me off because she cut me off. I guess someone got mistaken. This idiot blows through a red light and underestimates their turn radius.
A few moments later.
This is why you shouldn't give your little daughter a car to go out with her friends.
"12 seconds later."
This idiot biker runs a stop sign and flips me off. I guess he's confused about where he needs to go. Just some idiot going the wrong way to try and skip the line. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.